Here's my UCO FD450 into a dummy load. As you can see, SWR is low, background noise is low. Okay, I'm going to put this amplifier on and show you what I'm getting. This is the one with no anti-parasitic chokes on the plate and anode leads. Okay, you hear that? And that's with the noise blanket on. Here's the reading of the plate and grid with a key current. You can see the noise goes away. It comes back with a vengeance. Let's see what I can get. There's about 5 watts in, about 75 watts. Pause it and I'll tune it up a bit. Well, that's about maximum, about 150 watts for 5 watts in. You can see the low SWR is quite low. Can you hear that noise? I don't know what that's saying. Someone stop there. That was me. Can't believe that. You can hear that noise for shoddy camera work. Now it doesn't do it if I use these anti-parasitic chokes. However, the tune's way off and everything else, so goodness knows I'm out to defeat with this amplifier.